Good day dear students, how are you? So let's start our second part of logic section. Okay, this is 26. The great mathematician Count-A-Lot discovered the incredible numbers. He does not know yet if they are finite or infinite. So finite means something specific, like 100 numbers or 10 numbers, okay, and infinite we cannot define. It could be 1000, it could be 10 million, okay. So infinite case we don't know, so the mathematician actually not sure, but he made the following conjecture. So conjecture means actually a statement, okay, a statement. So this is his statement. If they are infinite, that means we can't specify, then at least minimum one of them has 8 distinct means 8 different and independent prime factors. So prime factors, we know the numbers by which we can divide a specific numbers, okay. For example, if we consider 8 can be divided by 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself, and among them 1 and 2 are the prime numbers, and these two numbers are called prime factors, okay. So one of his students, Count again, showed that Count-A-Lot's conjecture is false. Therefore he proved that, he means the student proved that, okay. We have to find out the answer. And remember, I have told you in logic section you have to be very critical, okay. Sometimes you will feel like there are more than one answer, but actually not. Some you will feel like some are 20% correct or 20% close to the correct answer, some are 80% close to the correct answer. So you have to read all options carefully, and you have to decide which one could be the right answer. So let's study first one. If incredible numbers are finite, then none of them has 8 distinct prime factors. So this statement actually the same with this one, okay. Why I'm saying it's same? Here is infinite, here is finite. It seems opposite, but see, the meaning is same, because here said at least, here said at least one of them, and here said none of them, okay. That means here also opposite, here also opposite, the statement is same, so it cannot be an answer. Numbers B, if incredible numbers are finite, then all of them have 8 distinct prime factors. Okay, it could be an answer, but I don't feel that it could be an answer. I mean, it's if I want to label them, then I will label like 10%, okay. Then number 1, incredible numbers are infinite. Yeah, or in the statement already it was told that incredible numbers are infinite, so it cannot be an answer. Incredible numbers are infinite and none of them has 8 distinct prime factors, so are infinite, okay. So the student are agree with his teacher statement, but he said none of them has 8 distinct prime factors, so it seems correct, okay. And if I want to label them, I would put it's 80% correct, okay. Incredible numbers are infinite and all of them had 8 distinct prime factors. Actually it's also not possible in real cases, in our real real world. It's also, if I want to label them, then 5% it could be correct. So our answer is D, okay. So this was the strategy how you can find the correct answer, but you have to practice and you have to be well at English, like at least you have to be familiar with the term like prime factors and infinite this term. Okay, otherwise it's very simple. Number 27. Bacteria are single. So this is a name of bacteria, are single, called organism that live in ponds and reproduce by fission. So fission is a method which is given or defined in this first parenthesis. So each bacteria is splits into identical organisms. So the fission is a method by which each bacteria splits into two identical organisms. So this is the way how they born actually. If you put on Archaebacterium in a certain pond, okay, it will reproduce by fission once a day. Okay, in 30 days the whole pond surface will be completely covered by bacteria. That means if we consider a pond like this, a water vessel or pond, and if you release one bacteria, for example, let's look like this, after 30 days the whole surface will be covered by it, whole surface like this. Okay, we don't know the numbers, but we can guess there are many. Okay, then how many days will it take to cover the whole surface if we initially put two bacteria in the pond? So the same pond, if we put two bacteria at the same day, then how many days it will take to cover like this? Okay, we have to find out that. And the options are given like 30 days, 28 days, 29 days. It depends on the pond surface area. 15 days. Okay, we have to find out. So let's consider first day. I mean first case. Okay, so in the first case you release one bacteria. Okay, second day it will become 2, third day it will become 4, because 2 bacteria is split into 4, and 4 in fourth day will be 8, fifth day it will be 16, like this it will continue. Okay, and we don't know the numbers at 30th day. We actually can't, we have to like this, we have to go all like 32, then 64, then we can maybe guess, but in the exam hall you do not have that much time, so we have to be critical, or you have to be you have to find out a simple way how we can solve it. Okay, so right now we'll try to find a simple way, but at one thing we know, we have to sum all this number. Is that right? No, actually it's not right, correct method, because okay, 1 2 4 8, because at 5th day its total number will be 16. Okay, so at 30th day the total numbers we have to find out. So we'll find out it. Sometimes it is not important to find the answer, because we can just guess how many days it will take. So let's consider another, the second options. Initial day, like first day you are releasing 2 bacteria, second day it will become 4, third day it will become 8, and the next day it will become 16. Okay, like 16, and then next day, like 5th day it will become 32, like this. 30th day we don't know. Now as we cannot write all of these, we have I will actually solve this problem 2 ways. One is simple ways, another one is like considering a series, then we can find out it. So in simple way you can find it like you can take a look here. We'll consider first 4 days or 5 days. For example, first 4 days. Okay, so after 4 days total number is 18. Let's consider these 8 numbers actually cover the whole pond surface. Okay, whole pond surface. So we can see, we can get the number 8 after 3 days in the second case. That means the number is same, so the pond surface also full. So when you input 1, it needs 4 days. When you release 2, like 2 at first day, it needs 3 days, so 1 day less. The same way we can say the answer is 29, because in case of first case it will take 30 days, but in case of second days it will take 1 day less there. So answer is 29. So my second way is considering it a series. How we can do that? For example, 2 we can write 2 whole power 0, it means 1, then 2 power 1, 2 power is 2, and 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So now you can see it's so this is day number 5 and the power is 4, that means 1 less. So at 30th day the number will be 2's power 29. Okay, so this is the total number after 30th day. And in this case we can see here 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 3. Okay, and we can see at 30th day we'll find 2's power 30, and at 29th day we'll find 2 power 29. Okay, I hope you understand my logic. So that means it takes actually 29 days. So our answer is 29. Okay, let's start the next one. 28. A survey is conducted among all 100 inhabitants. So inhabitants, you know, it means resident of the town of Sparagana, who are older than 55. So in this sentence, 2 information: total number of inhabitants 1000, and they conducted a survey only for people who are older than 55. The results show that 40% of them own a fridge, 25% of them own a TV, and 15% of them own both. Therefore, in the town of Spragna, okay, so you have to find out the answer. So before reading the answer, let's do some calculation. Okay, so second sentence is very important. The result showed that 40% of them own a fridge, 20% of them own a TV, and 15% of them own both. So we can consider 2 sets. Number 1 is F represents fridge, number 2 represents TV. Okay, just T. So both, that means 15% own both fridge and TV. So I just put them on this common area. I hope this, you know this statement function. Okay, the basic things I hope you know already. Now how many percent is 40%? So 40% of them own the fridge and among the 40% I already wrote 15% here, so remain is 25%. So 25% actually have only fridge, they do not have TV, and 25% of them own TV. So same way, if we minus 15 from the 25%, then we get 10%. So 10% actually own only TV, not fridge. So these are the set, and we can consider, we can conclude from them, from this Venn diagram, 25 and 15 and 10, that means total 50% own either fridge or TV, and 50% of them doesn't own anything. Okay, total 50% do not have anything, either fridge, either TV, or both. They do not have anything. Now let's study. Among those who are younger than 55, less than 40% owns a fridge. So the survey was conducted among them who are older than 55. So this is not the correct answer. Among them, among those who are older than 55, less than 45% owns a TV or a fridge. Less than 45% own a TV or fridge. Okay, let's calculate. So TV or fridge, that means F either fridge or TV own, we can see from here, only 25% or 10%. Or means union. Okay, so we can just, if we know the formula FUT, then its formula tells us that summation of all numbers who has fridge and TV. So total we know 50%. So that means this is not the correct answer. Among those who are older than 55, 50% does not own TV nor a fridge. We already calculated. So this is the correct answer. Okay, we don't need to go on others options because we already find the correct answer. Next, move on our next question, 29. Which pair of numbers x, y should be inserted into the following table? So if we look carefully, this is two series actually. Number 1, 1, 3, 6, 10, 21, 28. So if we carefully look, the difference between these is 2, and difference between these is 3, and then 4. So then it should be 5, then the number is 15. And see, the 15 and 21, the difference is 6. So our answer is correct. So x is 15. So answer could be this one or this one, like C or E, and we have to find out the option Y. So if you look carefully, it seems like a factorial number. Okay, like 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. So in this case it would be 6 factorial, and this is 7 factorial. So 6 factorial equal to how much? We know the formula. 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Therefore we can find out this equal to 720. So our answer is C. Next, move on our next question. Okay, in a conversation with her friends, Julia states that we all like coffee except Paula, who does not like it. Caroline points out that Julia is wrong. Therefore, all of Julia's friends like coffee. Okay, so in a conversation with her friends, Julia stated that we all like coffee except Paula. That means Paula doesn't like the coffee. But Caroline actually said the Julia is wrong. It doesn't mean that Julia's all friends like coffee. It cannot be an answer. Paula likes coffee. It could be that Paula also likes the coffee. Let's see what other options tells us. One of the Julia's friends, who is not Paula, does not like coffee. Paula likes coffee, or there is someone among Julia's friend other than Paula who does not like coffee. It is not possible that only one of Julia's friends does not like coffee. This is also not the correct answer. So an answer could be among these two. Let's think a little more. Okay, let's read out again. Here, Paula likes coffee. This actually less favorable for answer. If I want to label them, then I will put 10% could be right, because why only Paula? There could be others who also doesn't like coffee, okay, like Julia's friends. So this I don't think can be an answer. Number C, one of Julia's friends who is not Paula does not like coffee. No, I think we don't know, like Paula also do not like coffee. So it cannot be also a correct answer. How about this? Paula likes coffee, or there is someone among Julia's friends other than Paula who does not like coffee. So this could be the right answer, because initially in the statement it was said that Paula does not like, but the Caroline said the Julia is wrong. That means either Paula likes coffee or someone else among them do not like the coffee. Therefore, this is the correct answer. So these were all 5 questions. I hope you liked it, and give me review, of course, like and share, and let me know if you have any question, anything in your mind, and of course subscribe my channels and share with your friends, so that it will it motivates me to make more videos on it. Okay, so see you again in another session. Thank you so much for watching.